Hi my lovelies, on the menu today is an easy corn and black bean salsa. With a zesty red wine vinegar Italian dressing, it's the perfect side dish, appetizer and more. Without much further ado, let's get to it. To make it, you're going to need 1 small onion chopped, 1 14-ounce can corn, that's about 400 grams, 1 14-ounce black beans, also about 400 grams, half a cup Kalamata or black olives, 1 chopped red bell pepper, a teaspoon of cumin, and you want to combine all of the ingredients in a bowl. We'll also be using a cup of cubed feta cheese, about 150 grams, and a handful of chopped cilantro or parsley. We then want to carefully combine this, taking care not to break up the feta cheese. Set the salsa aside and then proceed on to make the salad dressing. To make the dressing, we're going to need 1/3 cup fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, you can use more if preferred, 1 clove minced garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or a preferred sweetener of choice, half a cup of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Properly combine the Italian dressing ingredients, then add this to the salsa. Give the dip a good mix, cover and chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. I like mine with some tortilla chips. Let me know in the comment section how you like to serve yours. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.